Do you have days when you just need a quick, easy bite? This Tyson fully cooked Southern style chicken strip is so easy, a fifth grader can make this quick and easy meal that would hit the spot. Give them a try. You have 35% off when you use my coupon of just 88. You just have to order it for yourself to give yourself the shot to smell it with me. Yeah? Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, all my shirts shrunk and need some new shirts. As a foodie, somehow my shirts got tighter and tighter. Luckily, Into the AM is there for me to pick up some new ones. I like plain t-shirts for when I need to work out and walk my dog, Fifi the paw. Yes, we try to exercise as much as we can since, we're always chasing the flavor. Since we're sharing, we have a great coupon for you if you need some new shirts. Get your 3 graphic tees for $61.99 with an additional 10% off with our offer code just8810. And use our coupon code. It helps us make more videos like this one. So thank you in advance for using our unique offer link. More details in the description down below.
Hi, my eaters. Judy Ann here from justtoday.com. And today I'm going to be showing you
Here to share with you how to save money on groceries, like with this Southern style chicken breast tenderloins.
And so let's hit the kitchen.
Tyson's Southern style chicken breast tenderloins, made with 100% all natural ingredients. These fully cooked breast tenderloins are battered and breaded with a peppery seasoning, zero trans fat per serving with no preservatives. So, how we're going to be making this today is with the convention oven because, boy, it's too hot to turn on the oven. Let me just tell you the truth. So, how we're going to prepare this? We're going to be preheating the oven for 425 degrees Fahrenheit, placing the frozen tenderloins on a baking sheet. Now, I like to put foil because it's just for easy cleanup, okay? And then heat up for 18 to 20 minutes. Now, appliances do vary, so heating times approximate, okay? But I put it in for good 18 minutes. Did you know there's an app that gives you cash back every time you shop? With Ibotta, it's easy to earn cash back whether you're at the grocery store or shopping online. Like right now, Tyson's Chicken is practically saying, "Eat me ASAP" with their buy one, get one free deal that is happening right now. If you're not familiar with Ibotta, the mega coupon app that has over 10 million downloads with 1.8 million ratings, let me explain how Ibotta works. Ibotta is a free mobile app that is easy to sign up and earn real cash back right away. As you download the app with my referral code, after registering and setting up your profile, you're able to see all the current coupon offers. In this case, look for the Tyson chicken or type in Tyson chicken in the search bar and find it that way. Add your cash back Tyson offer by clicking on the plus sign before you head to your favorite grocery store of your choosing. As you pick up your items from the store of your choosing, head to your grocery store page on the Ibotta app and tap submit receipt to scan your receipt and earn your cash back. Usually takes 8 minutes or less to see your Ibotta app literally say, "You got cash back." After you accumulated $20 cash back in your Ibotta app, I call it the Ibotta bank account. You're able to withdraw your earnings by linking your actual bank account or choosing a gift card to withdraw earnings when you reach $20. If you're wanting to save money on groceries, especially in today's world, you have to give Ibotta, the mega coupon app, a try. When you download the free app using my referral code of BCWMGQV and submit your first receipt, let's say with this Tyson chicken deal, you get an additional $5 for using my referral code. So who wants extra $5?
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
By chance you are like, oh my goodness, I missed this deal. Don't worry, we got you because Ibotta has other amazing grocery shopping offers. So all you got to do is download the Ibotta app, of course, using my referral code so that I could give you $5, okay, after your first transaction with scanning your receipt. Now, we're going to be uploading more often with mega coupon recipes. And so definitely hit the subscribe button and comment down below if you download and or you enjoy using Ibotta app.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.